Hi guys, welcome to Shikha's Corner, and this is the GlamEgo box for the month of March 2018. As you can see, it's really colorful and it's really pretty. It's because of the Holi theme, and it's written Girl Boss over here, and the box has a magnetic flip cover. It's really very nice, and you can also use this box to store your makeup products later on if you want. Okay, so when I open this, here they have written we are celebrating you, love you GlamEgos for making us celebrate first birthday and #1 beauty box. We would not be here without you. So they are celebrating their first birthday, and this is the birthday edition box, and they have included a lot of valuable stuff. It's really interesting, it's really special. I will just show you one by one what I have received this month. But before that, please subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. So let's start. So this is the first product by Mondsub peeling off black mask, and this can be used by men and women both. And this is a charcoal peel off mask, and I was so excited and I tried it, and it's really very nice. This is very gentle on the face, unlike the other peel off mask. So yeah, it works. So here is the procedure how to apply it. Cleanse your face before using it with warm water and moist towel, and then once it is dried, just gently apply this mask on your face. When dry, apply generously on nose and chin area, and you can just apply it all over your face, and then let it dry. It took me about 30 to 35 minutes, and peel off the mask when it is completely dry, and then rinse with cold water. That's it. So this Mondsub brand, they have launched their first product in India. This is their first product in India, and this retails for ₹1000 for 100 ml. So moving on to the second product, here I have received this Bala Voste brow liner, shade and shape brow liner. So it claims to stay for 10 hours, waterproof, super soft and gliding, expert spoolie brush. So I was so excited. I tried it and it really works great. It's very easy to apply, especially this spoolie really works great. Even if you're a beginner, you can just apply it very easily. So yeah, this really works great, and I'm so happy that I have received this month, and this retails for ₹399. So moving on to the third product, here I have received this Aroma Magic Reviving Oxy Pack for ₹90. It claims to balance your skin pores and evens your skin tone. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure it will be very nice because I really like this brand products. So the fourth product I have received is Chrono Care Pollu Stop Hair for ₹395, and it claims to save your hair from pollution. And this is for all hair types. So I really like the Chrono Care products. So you just need to spray it directly over clean and dry hair before exposed to pollution particles. It can be used before ironing or any other hair heat styling. So let it dry on its own, wait for a minute, and you will feel the difference. So I really like this Chrono Care products, and I'm definitely going to try this. So in this month box, they have also included one cute little Bala Voste nail polish, and I have already applied it. You can see, I just wanted to show you guys. It's a beautiful color. So this is like a return gift that they have sent us for being loyal and supporting them. Okay, so here are the products, and this comes for ₹399 if you subscribe. Actual cost for these entire products would be more than 2000 rupees, and you are getting it for $399 if you subscribe this box. And if you subscribe it for 12 months, then you will get it for $299. All the details are given below on the description bar, so you can check them out. So if you're wondering from where you can order this box and their prices, the products, everything is mentioned there on the description bar below. Please have a look, and please subscribe to my channel for new videos every week, and I will see you soon. Bye.